Ipsy came. Yay! Before we get to the unbagging of this month's Ipsy, which is April 2014, just want to apologize. I know my hair is a wreck, but it's been raining here all day long. In the precious pink bag this month comes, it is a navy blue with gray tone record player. So the theme this month is rock and roll, I guess. Beauty rocks. So inside we will find, first of all, this would be Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Skin Exfoliant. And I'm going to squeeze just a little bit out and see. Okay, I've just put a little on, and smells like mint, I think. It has a very, very fine grit, super fine grit. Yes, and it smells like, honestly, it smells like Pine Sol. Like lemon Pine Sol. You know what lemon Pine Sol smells like? I clean with lemon Pine Sol. And this smells just like lemon Pine Sol. So it's kind of like fresh and fruity. And kind of had a mint scent going on too. Okay. Next, we have a Kaolin tinted lip balm in number 12, Apple Pink. Now, I already received a Kaolin lip balm some time ago. I'm not sure if it was in Ipsy or if it may have been with Birchbox or even possibly Glossybox, because I get all three of those. But it was a very bright red and it was cool, although I'm not a huge fan of matte lip color. So anyways, this is what the color looks like. And I already put it on my lips. So it is, as was the case before, a matte lip. I've had it on for maybe 20 minutes, and I just don't like matte lipstick, or they call this lip balm. It does not feel like a balm to me. This feels like a lipstick, and my lips feel dry, and they feel, I just don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like the color. It's not my color. It's not a bad color, it just doesn't suit me. I don't think it suits my skin coloring. But if you notice, with matte coloring, you can see every line. You can see every wrinkle. And you don't get that with lip gloss. Plus, in my opinion, lip gloss just feels good. And this doesn't. So I'm probably either going to give this to my daughter to play with, because it does have the cool little built-in applicator. I like the packaging on the Kaolin lip balms. I just don't actually like the product. I do not like matte lip balm that feels like matte lipstick, only thinner. I don't think it's a balm. Sorry, Kaolin, but I don't think that's a balm. I think you messed up. Next, we have false lashes. Such a Tease Beauty is the brand, and this particular lash is so seductive. Now, I'm going to pop this open and let you see a little more closely. There's no glue. There's no applicator. You just have these super dramatic lashes. They're really dramatic. I don't wear false lashes, so it's kind of a waste on me. I will put these up on the swap board and hope that someone else who likes them and needs them might trade with me for something that I want. So please stop sending me false lashes, Ipsy. We have Midnight Garden Rainbow Honey. Rainbow Honey is the company, and this would be from the Midnight Garden collection. When you open it up, there is a skinny sampler tube of blue sparkle polish, and this particular color is called Midnight Fountain. This glittery nail lacquer can be worn on its own in 2 to 3 coats for a deep and shimmery aquatic look, or paired with your favorite solid colors. For a bolder pop of multi-chromatic shimmer, try layering over black. I bet you that would look pretty over black. Now, to enable you to see what you can expect when you use this color alone, I have polished my nails. So I did 2 coats and got this really pretty aqua blue glittery polish. And there are different shades of blue in the polish. There are different shades of glitter. One thing I like about this, a lot of the glitter polishes, the base is very transparent, and so you either end up with a very uncolored nail with colored glitter on it, or you have to put it on top of something. And I like that this is actually dark enough to be its own polish without anything extra, unless you want to put something extra. So I like this. This is good. Next we have Urban Decay. Yay. Urban Decay 24/7 Velvet Glide-On Eye Pencil. And this would be an ultra velvety plush version of our creamy waterproof 24/7 formula. Create perfectly blended out or rich precise lines that are blacker than black. Like all our 24/7 eye pencils, the creamy formula glides on, blends easily, and dries down to a waterproof finish that won't budge. So this is in black velvet. Yay! I like black eyeliner. I do wear some color eyeliner occasionally, but generally I wear black. And I have wanted to try the Urban Decay, so I'm very happy to have the opportunity to try out Urban Decay. For now, I'm going to swatch this for you. I'm going to show you the tip. I don't know, it's not precise, it's blunt. I'm used to marker tips, they're precise. But this will probably make a nice smudged out look. So here we go, I'm going to swatch it. Okay, and then thicker. Alright, so I did one thin and one thick. And once they dry, it's going to be waterproof. For right now, I'm just going to see how easily blendable it is. Okay, so it would kind of smudge out. Yeah. I may possibly enjoy this liner. All in all, we have Urban Decay, which I'm excited about. Dr. Brandt's microdermabrasion, which I'm okay. I'll try it. Kaylin matte lip balm, which I'm not so happy about. Rainbow Honey nail polish, yay, and false lashes. I'm most excited for the liner and the polish, yay, and I'm okay with Dr. Brandt, and I'm bummed about the lashes and the kaolin. Anyway, I hope you got something great in your Ipsy. If you haven't subscribed to Ipsy and you're interested, it's only $10 a month, and that does include shipping, and you get 4 to 5 beauty products in a bag delivered to your door, and it's typically makeup. You may have some other things thrown in, skincare or whatever, but like Birchbox has a lot of non-makeup. Ipsy is mostly makeup, and it's very enjoyable. If you're interested, I will put a link below for you to sign up through me, because if you sign up through me, I get credit, and I would appreciate some credit because it builds up, and then you get free products when you cash in your credits. And every month you get to go in and fill out surveys or reviews basically about each product you get, which helps them to know what you're looking for and what you like. But you also get points, credits, for the ones you fill out, so you actually end up building your credits by reviewing your product. So make sure you do that if you sign up, and if you haven't signed up and you want to sign up through me, please, please, please. Alright, anyways, that's it. Frizzy hair and all. And remember, live beautifully.